Surge protectors are an exception to the rule that ground and neutral should not be tied together past the service entrance. To provide protection, the surge protector diverts excess current to ground by connecting the ground and neutral lines. The National Electrical Code allows this specifically for surge protection. The soldering and connections on surge protectors can be poor, especially on inexpensive models. The primary function is to conduct electricity, not provide mechanical strength. As long as the connections are solid and handle the current load, failure is less likely. Backstab receptacles are a concern, particularly in surge protectors. They can be unreliable and cause problems over time. It is recommended to avoid surge protectors with backstab receptacles. Surge protectors do not typically incorporate thermal fuses because a thermal fuse would trip whenever the surge protector is activated, even if the surge was harmless. Instead, surge protectors use metal oxide varistors, or MOVs, to protect against surges. MOVs absorb excess energy and handle multiple surges without tripping. A MOV can reach high temperatures under heavy load, but they are designed to fail safely. If a surge is too large, the MOV will burst or short circuit, effectively removing itself from the circuit, preventing overheating and fire. All surge protectors sold in the United States must be certified by Underwriters Laboratories or all. This certification ensures that the product meets safety standards, including those related to electrical safety and fire resistance. Not all surge protectors are created equal. Choosing a surge protector from a reputable brand and paying attention to the features it offers helps to protect electronics from damage caused by surges.